The 12 Archangels, Unveiling, the powerful beings watching over you. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're venturing beyond the veil and exploring the fascinating realm of archangels. These celestial powerhouses are the elite of the angelic realm, radiating immense power and offering guidance on our earthly journeys. Archangels versus angels. Understanding the angelic hierarchy. Imagine a celestial organization. Angels act as the benevolent messengers, carrying out divine tasks and watching over individuals. Archangels, however, hold leadership positions. They wield immense power and oversee vast aspects of existence, from protection and healing to wisdom and creativity. Now, let's delve into the incredible world of the 12 archangels, each with their unique purpose and area of influence. Saint Michael, who is like God, the fearless leader. Michael is the ultimate protector. He offers strength, courage, and unwavering guidance when facing challenges. Call upon Michael for inner fortitude, to banish fear, or when seeking direction during difficult times. Gabriel, God is my strength. The divine communicator, Gabriel brings messages of hope, new beginnings, and ignites our creative spark. If you're seeking inspiration, starting a new project, or yearning for clarity on your life path, connect with Gabriel. Raphael, God heals. The celestial physician, Raphael is the archangel of healing physical, emotional, and spiritual. If you're dealing with illness, emotional wounds, or simply seeking overall well-being, call upon Raphael's nurturing energy. Uriel, light of God, the radiant illuminator. Uriel brings wisdom and ignites the light of knowledge within us. When seeking intellectual pursuits, clarity in decision-making, or simply a deeper understanding of life's mysteries, connect with Uriel. Ariel, lioness of God, the loving guardian of nature. Ariel fosters environmental well-being and reconnects us with the Earth's rhythms. If you're passionate about environmental protection, seeking a deeper connection with nature, or nurturing your own inner garden, call upon Ariel. Jophiel, beauty of God, the embodiment of artistic expression. Jophiel inspires beauty in all its forms within ourselves, our creative pursuits, and the world around us. If you're seeking artistic inspiration, fostering positive change, or cultivating inner beauty, connect with Jophiel's radiant energy. Zadkiel, righteousness of God, the embodiment of compassion and forgiveness. Zadkiel helps us release judgment, cultivate mercy, and embrace self-compassion. If you're struggling with letting go of resentment, seeking forgiveness, or yearning for inner peace, connect with Zadkiel's gentle yet powerful energy. Azrael, whom God helps, the comforter. Azrael offers solace and understanding during times of grief and transition. If you're dealing with loss, emotional pain, or simply need support during a significant life change, call upon Azrael's comforting presence. Metatron, the scribe, the bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. Metatron acts as the celestial scribe, recording our deeds and aiding in manifestation. If you're seeking to understand your soul's purpose, bridge the gap between your intuition and reality, or manifest your desires, connect with Metatron's powerful energy. Haniel, grace of God, the embodiment of joy and peace. Haniel fosters feelings of lightness, grace, and connection to our intuition. If you're seeking inner peace, overcoming negativity, or strengthening your connection to your inner wisdom, call upon Haniel's blissful energy. Jeremiel, mercy of God, the prophet. Jeremiel offers dreams, visions, and insights into the future, helping us navigate life's uncertainties with hope. If you're seeking clarity on your path, yearning for prophetic dreams, or simply need a renewed sense of optimism, connect with Jeremiel. Sandalphon, the accuser or the advocate, the mediator. Sandalphon fosters harmony in relationships and communication. If you're facing conflict, seeking to improve communication, or simply yearning for a more peaceful environment, call upon Sandalphon's balancing energy. Connecting with the archangels, opening your heart to heavenly guidance. There are many ways to connect with these celestial beings. Here are a few practices to get you started. Prayer or meditation. Quiet your mind, express your desires with sincerity, and visualize yourself surrounded by the Archangel's light. Visualization. Create a vivid mental image of the Archangel you wish to connect with. Imagine their light enveloping you, or picture yourself in a sacred space with them. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and any questions you have for a specific Archangel. Remember, the most important element is approaching them with an open heart, a pure intention, and a belief in their presence. This is just the beginning of your exploration. As you connect with the Archangels, trust your intuition, pay attention to synchronicities, and be open to receiving their guidance in various ways: feelings, dreams, or even intuitive thoughts. Leave a comment below letting me know which Archangel you're most drawn to. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on angels, spirituality, and the secrets of the universe.